Hey friends, who's hungry? Bring a little luck to your new year with this hearty vegetable soup loaded with collard greens for prosperity and black-eyed peas and ham for luck. In a large stock pot, add 3 to 4 smoked ham hocks. You can always use pork jowls, a ham bone, or smoked turkey legs. Next, add 4 cups of cold water, 1 14.5-ounce can of undrained diced tomatoes, 1 15-ounce can of seasoned butter beans, 1 15-ounce can of field peas and snaps, 1 15-ounce can of black-eyed peas, 1 15-ounce can of Hoppin John, 1 cup of non-alcoholic Bloody Mary mix, and 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Bring the soup to a boil over medium-high heat. Add 1 bunch of collard greens that have been washed, stemmed, and chopped. If you need instructions on how to prep collard greens, check out this video. Stir the soup, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and simmer the soup for 1.5 hours. Add 1 cup of sliced fresh or frozen okra, then return the soup to a boil, cover, and simmer the soup over low heat for an additional hour. Remove the ham hocks and set them aside to cool. Pull the meat from the bones and shred it. Then add the meat back to the pot and stir to combine and heat through. Season the soup with salt and pepper to your preference. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.